Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15 and in this video I will show you how to check the temperature of your laptop. Now, in order to check your GPU temperature, you simply have to right-click the taskbar, select Task Manager, then go to Performance section, and in the Performance section you'll be able to check the temperature of both of your GPUs. Now, if you want to see your CPU temperature, you'll have to install the Core Temp application. So go to the web browser, open Google or any other search engine, then input Core Temp into the search field, press enter, and find the official Core Temp website, allcpu.com. Click on it, click download, open the installation file, click yes, then click next, read and accept the user agreement to continue, then click next. Then if you want to, you can select the destination folder for your application by clicking browse and selecting the folder that you want this application to be installed in. Then click next. On the following screen, in the following window, make sure to uncheck this one checkbox if you don't want any additional unwanted software to be installed on your PC. Now, if you want to have a desktop shortcut, keep this one checked. I don't need it, so I'm gonna check it. And I also don't need any additional language packs, but if you need them, you can also install them. But in my case, I'm gonna uncheck this one too. Click next one more time and then click install and wait for the installation to complete. Then click next and let's launch the Core Temp application. And in the Core Temp application, we'll find the information about the processor, like each frequency and load of each core of the processor, and below we'll find the temperature of the processor. Just as well, we'll find the minimum temperature of the CPU, maximum temperature of the CPU, and the power consuming of the CPU. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.